Hi again. We're going to continue talking about leaves today. If you still have some of the leaves that you collected on Tuesday, great. If not, you might have to go for another leaf hunt. Today we're going to be talking about leaf shapes, the shapes of leaves. And so in your green science folder, you should have gotten last week to put in it these two papers, which are leaf sorting shape mats. And so what we have here are different shapes. And let me tell you what we call them. This shape right here, it says spear, spear. Everyone say spear shape. And this, oval. I bet you knew that one. Oval. Now look at this. What shape is that? If I turn it this way, it's a heart. A heart. Now it's upside down because sometimes a leaf might look like that upside down, or maybe it will look like it that way. So those are three of the shapes on our shape sorting mat. Then we've got a line. Some leaves are shaped just like a line. I even found one, I'll show you. And then this is a triangle. I bet you knew that one. Triangle. And finally, this right here, it says a paddle, almost like a ping pong paddle. So some leaves might have a paddle shape. Now here's what you'll do. You take your two leaf sorting mats and you put them down on a table. Here, I'll show you. So here are my leaf sorting mats. And of course, here are my leaves that I collected. And here's my notebook. Let's look at the question for today. Oh, remember when I put my leaves in? I love my leaves. Now right here it says, what shapes are leaves? Well, let's find out so we can do some writing in it. So let me see here. I'm going to take my leaves and put them where I think they should go. I think I'll start with this leaf right here. I don't think this leaf is like a line. The top is kind of like a triangle, not so much a paddle. Hey, it's a little bit bigger, but to me, it looks like a spear shape. Comes to a point at the top and a point at the bottom. I'm going to call that a spear. Now you might decide something different, but that's what I'm going to decide for that one. All right, let me take a look at this small leaf. I'll just take one. Look at that little leaf. What do you think? What do you think? Oops, sorry. What do you think that will be? Not really a line. Definitely does not look like a triangle to me. Now a paddle. What about an oval? Look at that. It's rounded on all sides, a little thinner at the top and the bottom. That's a great oval. All right, now look at what I went and found outside. I found from a pine tree. Now they call these pine needles. These are the leaves of a pine tree. So let me just take two of them. These are pine needles or pine leaves. I don't know if you can see those very well, but let's see here. Do you think these are shaped like a heart? Say, of course not. No. How about like a paddle? I would not want to play ping pong with these. This is not like a paddle. Triangle? Oh, now that's why they call some leaves a line shape. Look, they're shaped like a line. Okay, now I have one more leaf, and I have to tell you, I kind of cheated a little. Can I tell you why? So I had only collected leaves from trees, but I really wanted a heart-shaped leaf. So I went and I found a heart-shaped leaf, but it wasn't on a tree. So if you need to go find a leaf that's a different shape and it's not on a tree, that's okay. So look what I found. I found from some ivy. Ivy is like a vine, but look, it's like a heart shape. See that? Isn't that pretty neat? Now I'd have to turn it this way, and now I found a heart-shaped leaf also. So that's pretty neat. Now I don't have a triangle leaf yet, and I don't have a paddle-shaped leaf yet, but I've found a lot of different shaped leaves. Here's what I'm going to do next. I'll slide these over, or maybe I'll just slide them up. Move all of these leaves out of the way. Oh boy, Miss Brewer's making a big mess. That's okay. Scientists make messes sometimes. Now I'll bring over my booklet. I'm on page 9 now. Not sure if you can see that. Page 9. Okay, and I'll move my cart back. Maybe you can see a little better if it's further away. Now what it says here is, what shapes are leaves? So now I'm going to go ahead and draw. I think I'm going to start with my heart leaf. Wow, I could even maybe trace it. I could trace around it. And look at this. Oh, look at that. It really was like a heart. And I even have the word up here, so I can label it heart. I think I'll put it right inside. I can copy the word. I can make it look more like a leaf by adding some of the lines in. Those are the veins that go through the leaf that bring the water and nutrients to all of the parts. Okay, let's see, another leaf. Oh, the oval. Let me trace that. If there's room here, I'll do it here. Otherwise, I can try on this page. I'll trace my oval. Yep, there's my oval leaf. I can make it look like a leaf. And I'll write the word oval. This time I'll write it up here. Since the leaf is so little, I didn't have a lot of room. What shapes are leaves? Heart, oval. Maybe I'll do spear or line next. So boys and girls, you can trace and write the shapes of your leaves. There's lots of lines down here. If you're someone who loves writing, maybe you can try and write some words down here or a sentence, even using your snap words. Like maybe you can write, I like leaves. Oh, there's the word leaves. I can copy it from up there. I like leaves. And I put this exclamation mark for when we're learning about punctuation. You'll hear, I like leaves. So boys and girls, that's what you're going to work on today, is sorting your leaves on the leaf shape mat, and then open your book to page 9 and make some of your own shaped leaves.